The number one platform that I should have been using for the last couple years has to be YouTube. Now, if you haven't started a YouTube channel yet, I encourage you to. If you're brand new and you've just started it but haven't got traction yet, I want to talk to you as well, because in the beginning of this year, January 2020, I had about 120 YouTube subscribers, but it was really just content that I kind of threw up there with no rhyme or reason for it. But I really wanted to focus in on that platform this year because I knew how powerful it was. YouTube being the second largest search engine in the world, I definitely need to put some more content on YouTube. So I deleted everything I had on my YouTube channel. I started fresh. And with those 120 subscribers, I really don't even know where they came from or why they subscribed to my page. So over the last couple months, what I've been really focusing in on is providing tutorials. That's what I do. I'm a tech guy, digital, social media, technology. So I wanted to put up more YouTube content around that type of information. So I want you to think about what is it that you want to talk about on YouTube, because I want to help you grow your channel really, really quick. There is a strategy, there is a way to grow YouTube. You know, I watched tons of hours on how to get 500 subscribers, how to get 1,000 subscribers, keywords and tags and all this stuff, but it wasn't quite translating the way I thought it would. You know, most of the information came from the gurus that already had hundreds of thousands of subscribers. So I think their tactics are a little bit different than what would work for me. And so what I learned is that I don't necessarily want to try to always get on the front page of YouTube. I want to get to the suggested sections of YouTube because it's a lot easier. And this strategy has helped me really grow my YouTube channel over the past month. I literally started with just under 120 people, and over the last 28 days, I've had 450 plus subscribers, over 8,000 views on one of my videos, just by taking advantage of suggested videos. So I want to show you, I want to teach you from a small YouTuber perspective, not someone that has thousands and thousands of followers, but someone that was been able to get 8,200 views on one video and over 450 subscribers in only their third month of focusing solely on the YouTube platform. So if you're interested, I want to invite you to a training that I'm going to be doing. You're more than welcome to come to this training, learn how to do YouTube from a YouTuber perspective, from a small YouTuber perspective, and really help you grow your channel.